The middle of summer is the absolute worst time for your AC to stop working well, and a dirty AC condenser unit is one of the most frustrating reasons for it to fail. Technicians will easily charge you hundreds of dollars to fix this, but you can prevent a breakdown in just a few minutes with a simple garden hose. But first, don't make the mistake that I did. Don't forget to turn off the power to the AC unit. You can do this by pulling out the disconnect pullout from the exterior box or by flipping the breaker from inside the house before you clean it off. Don't skip this step. Even though these units handle rain, a pressurized garden hose can force water into the live high voltage electrical panels, causing a dangerous short circuit. Shutting it off also stops the fan from spinning so that suction doesn't pull dirt deeper into the fins while you wash. Now that the power is off, we can grab the garden hose and start washing. We want to remove the dirt, the dust, the clippings, and any cottonwood that clogs those delicate aluminum fins and ultimately chokes your system's airflow. When you hose it down, use a gentle to medium spray. You don't want a heavy pressure washer, as that can damage the fins. Start at the top of the unit and work your way down in slow, even side-to-side strokes. Make sure to spray the water straight into the fins so it can push the trapped dirt back out the way it came. Give the outside a really thorough rinse, making sure all the grass clippings are washed away from the base. Now, if you want to truly deep clean, it is well worth the extra effort to remove the exterior cover of the unit. Just grab the screwdriver or drill, back out the screws holding the panels in place, and take the cover completely off. This opens up the system, allowing you to get your hose inside and thoroughly clean the unit from the inside out, flushing out all that trapped debris that a surface rinse just can't reach. Keeping your AC condenser clean will help your unit run more efficiently, resulting in a lower electric bill, in addition to extending the lifespan of your system. It's a huge DIY win. If you want to save more money on home maintenance, repairs, or renovation projects, be sure to check out my YouTube channel, AG Squared. I have hundreds of this type of content, including HVAC, plumbing, flooring, electrical work, and appliance repair videos, like my popular guides on refrigerator and water heater maintenance. So hit that subscribe button, leave a comment if this video helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.